Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Craeus, and today we're playing some more Terraria modded. We're back in the game. We're back playing some more modded, and damn, bro, I'm excited. This piggy is just got fucked. Get out of here, bitch. So yeah, we defeated the Wall of Flesh, which was pretty crazy. Why are we moving like this? Oh, Featherfall, that's why. All right. Fuck, I forgot this happened over here. This is a pain in the ass, guys. I won't lie to you. We have a couple things to do today. Number one, what do we have to do? We have to make a hellstone pickaxe, so we are going to go back down to the hell area. We also have to make molten armor, full molten armor. Is this a house? Is this is not taken up by anybody yet? I find that hard to believe, because we just lost like 3 houses, but okay, you know, sure, whatever. I'll believe you. Anyway, so yeah, we got this in the last episode. I think this is a Wall of Flesh item. Could be wrong about that. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, we've finished, you know, 23% of pre-hard mode. I say once we get our molten armor, we should try and attempt Eater of Worlds, because if you guys remember, Eater of Worlds is for some reason fucking impossible to kill, or at least he was earlier in the series. Maybe he's better now. I'm not sure, but we're gonna figure that out. And yeah, so we beat Wall of Flesh last episode. I had to go like right after though, so we didn't really get to do a whole lot after that. But yeah, we are also now in hard mode, which is gonna be pretty interesting. I don't know how this is gonna go. So is this strange crystal blocks? Have they just been replaced by these blue blocks? I'm not sure what's going on really, but yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so we are going to go down here and just, you know, mine the hellstone. Hopefully we won't die. I mean, we almost actually know what I'm talking about. We're still pretty good on health. I thought we had an obsidian skin potion, but I must have not put that in my inventory. Okay, this is not good. We're almost dead already. Let's try and get to a place that's a little less dangerous. But yeah, I think we're gonna be a magic class, which kind of, I don't know. I don't know though yet. I'm not 100% sure. Guys, what should I be? Leave it in the comments below. I don't know. Also, I wanted to say thanks for the crazy support on the last couple of episodes. Well, I mean, by last couple of episodes, I'm talking about the first 2. That are the only ones released right now. As I'm recording this, those are the only 2 released. So thanks for the support. It means a lot to me, guys. 1,000 views on the first video. That's what we're at now. So that's fucked up. That's crazy. I did not think that it would get that many views. Like, when I started this series, I thought this would be the series that got the least amount of views. I thought this would get like 1 fucking view. And the legendary mode would be the one that would get all the views, but no, it seems like it's the opposite right now. I don't know, maybe legendary mode will continue to stay, you know, it's a pretty stable, solid series. You know, we got our dedicated fans watching, and yeah, we actually got some banger parts coming out for that as well. At least I'm assuming they are. Edited by Evoation, or however you pronounce his name. I don't know, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, so I keep on getting extremely sidetracked. We need to get hellstone. Can't believe we're already in fucking hard mode, man. That's crazy. Did not take us very long. Oh shit. Oh yeah, hellstone. Shit. Oh god. Oh, I think we just lost like a fuck ton of gold there. Or maybe not, because we melted it. Oh no, right. Our gold gets transported into our piggy bank. That is sick. That's fucking amazing. So we're just gonna quick stack. We're gonna smelt this hellstone. We want our pickaxe. Here it is. Molten pickaxe. And we can also make our molten greaves. So now we got our full set of molten armor. We're no longer rocking that platinum set, which, you know, is for the best. Platinum served us well, but, you know, we're on to something better. So we're just going to sell our platinum armor, and I guess our legendary nightmare pickaxe as well, because we got this bad boy. Hurtful molten pickaxe. So with this, we should be able to mine cobalt, or whatever is in our world. I think it's palladium or palladium, I don't know. Polydonium. I don't know, guys. I think I just had a stroke there, but it's okay. We're fine. And I saw in one of the comments, this is probably going to be pretty delayed by the time the person who actually commented sees this, but yes, magic storage will be coming soon. I mean, we have it kind of set up. We just need to get some more, I think it's sapphire that we need for the storage heart, which I don't know how much we have. I don't think we have any sapphire. It's very hard to tell what I actually have and what I don't. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure on what we need, or if we even have it, or if we don't have it. I don't know. That's the thing. I have no idea. Can we break this yet with this molten pickaxe, please? Yes. Okay, we can turn these into regular houses again. Because I love that. I love when my NPC houses are destroyed. But it's fine. We have them back, so it's not too big of a deal. It just sucks that we couldn't break it last episode. Alright, so these should be houses again. Are they? This room is too small. How about now? It's missing a... It would be missing a wall. So I'm not even gonna try, because I know it's missing a wall. Okay. What about now? Yay, yay. It's missing a chair. This one's missing a fucking chair. Excuse me? There we go. Now it's not. Yay! Our houses are fixed. So, this new ore that we have, can we smelt it in this furnace? Does not look like it. Oh shit. I forgot we don't have the guide, because we fought the wall of flesh. The guide is not here at the moment. Damn, this is a fucking amazing sword. But there is somebody who sells the NPCs, yes, but he doesn't sell the guide. God damn it. God damn it! You motherfucker! You motherfucker! Boom, new chest. Hell yeah. Now we have more space to put garbage, like this. Oops. I don't know if it's that much of garbage, but maybe it is. I'm not sure yet. We also have some stuff to sell that I forgot to sell. So yeah, one difference about the Calamity mod is breaking the altars. Yeah, so as you can see, it says here, demon altars now drop souls of night instead of generating ores when destroyed. Hard mode ores now generate after defeating mechanical bosses for the first time. So we're gonna have to defeat, I think, the twins for... Or no, wait, it's the destroyer first, isn't it? I think it's the destroyer first. We have to defeat the destroyer to get mithril slash... What's the other one? Fuck, what's the other one? There's cobalt, palladium... Oh, orichalcum. That's the one. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna sell this and this, and then I think it's time to do some mining. Oh shit, we might die. Let's see if there's any ore here. Any new ores, baby? Please. Cobalt anywhere? Hello? I would love some cobalt right about now. Ooh, life crystal. Bro, no way. I think we should probably use one of the spelunker potions, because I don't really want to spend a whole lot of time mining when we have them, you know? If we can save time, why not? So I can't actually remember what cobalt looks like anymore. I think this is platinum, so that's definitely not cobalt. Or wait, no, it was palladium that was released. Okay. So it should be like red or orange. I'm pretty sure this is copper. We're gonna mine it anyway. Okay, we're auto-trashing copper, so yeah, that's copper. I do not see any palladium yet. Should be like, slightly dark color. Oh, we got some ruby up here. We might as well mine it. Oh no, sorry, that's amethyst, not ruby. Got the Spelunker potion slightly alters colors. Okay, maybe we have mithril. That looks like mithril right there. I don't know why we would have mithril, because that's like the second. Oh no, that's cobalt. Okay, so cobalt looks exactly like mithril. I swear to God we had palladium, but I guess I'm just fucking stupid. I don't know. So there's a little bit down here as well, which we are obviously gonna mine. Hell yeah! I feel like we can mine so quickly with this pickaxe. It's fucking amazing, bro. Oh, what is this ore? Palladium. Okay, so there is palladium. There's cobalt and palladium for some reason. That's kind of annoying. Oh, there's a fuck ton of palladium. There's some here. Oh, that's... Wait. Okay, yeah, that is palladium. Oh, but I guess we can convert it anyway, so we can just choose whichever one we want and then convert it to the one that we like. I'm not really sure the stats on the hard mode ores, honestly. I know titanium is better than adamantite, but I'm not sure about the rest of them. So we're gonna have to figure that out. Yeah, get out of here, bitch. Get out of here, boy. So yeah, you guys might be like, oh, the series is almost gonna be over, all this stuff. Nah, bro, it's just beginning. I mean, hard mode, yeah, like in a normal Terraria playthrough, that's like almost, you know, it's like almost halfway through the series. But this is modded, bro. Modded is infinite possibilities, alright? Even after we beat every boss, we can still keep on going. I mean, there's plenty of stuff to do in Terraria. We could do, I don't know, some kind of like quests, you know, fishing, fucking build projects, you know. It's endless. The possibilities are fucking endless, so do not worry, you guys. We are far from over. Magician's Book. Man, I wish we would stop getting these fucking like pet summoner items, because like, yeah, they're not bad, but like, come on, bro. Like, do we really need them? Absolutely not. We don't. Like, what the fuck? Stop giving me pet items, asshole. Ooh, gingerbread cookie. I've been hoping we get one of these because it's very good. They're great. And that sounds like I was being sarcastic, but oh shit, I forgot we had the rocket boots. This whole fucking time, I didn't remember. I didn't know I had the rocket boots, and man, now I do. So that's great. Everything's working out for me. My life's fantastic, is what I wish I could say. Ah, shit. Alright, time to go back. So yeah, oh shit, we got 223 palladium, 121 cobalt. So we are going to, I think palladium is worse. I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. So let's check this out here. Cobalt. Oops. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Cobalt. 40 cobalt and 74 palladium. Alright, what set of armor is better? Let's check this out. So the cobalt breastplate is 11 defense. Palladium breastplate is 13. Okay, so apparently palladium is better. What about for magic, though? Because we want to do magic. And I know you guys might be like, no, don't do fucking magic. Well, you know what? I want to do magic, okay? So we're doing magic. So this is better for damage. However, it seems like this is better overall for defense. So we're going to convert all of our cobalt into palladium, which I don't actually know if we can do. Are we not able to convert these two? Because that's kind of upsetting if we can't. It doesn't look like we can. Shit. God damn it. God fucking damn it. Alright, it's fine. I think we have enough anyway. So we're gonna do the palladium headgear, because we are officially switching to a mana character, because boys and girls, I want to. So yeah, I don't think I have to say much else here. I want to, so. Yeah. Idiot. Oh god, we have way too much stuff. We always have too much stuff. Always. Sorry, I don't mean to yell, but it's true. We always have way too much. Oh, we do have 6 sapphire. Okay. Let's just trash this. We're gonna, like, not, you know, actually trash it, but, like, wait, what happened to the, oh, it's in my inventory. Okay. So we're gonna sell this, and this, and this, and this, and I guess we can sell all of our fucking melee weapons as well. It's kind of sad to see him go, you know? Not the tungsten rapier, but this is gonna have to go bye-bye. I know this is kind of like, you know, we've been doing good as a melee guy, but fuck melee, you know? Fuck melee. Get out of here. Get the hell out of here. Was that our only melee weapon? Oh, we had the yo-yo. Okay, get out of here, yo-yo. Static quartz, we're selling that too. I don't think that has anything to do. Okay, no more ranged weapons either. Now, I know this is like a complete 180 in the series, but I want to do mana, boys. I don't care what anybody says. I want to do fucking mana. Because it's been a long time since I did mana character, and I have been missing it, you know, frankly. We have to get our mana up, though. That is one thing we need to do. Because we are kind of lacking in that department, I'm not going to lie. We could at least have 200, and we only have 140.